Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are good and doing well at home. Today we are going to do a new chapter of English course book, that is chapter number 6. And the name of chapter is The Letter. It's a poem. And the poetess of this chapter is Margaret G. Rhodes. This poem is about a letter. As it is clear from the name, this poem is about a letter. So, do you know what is a letter? Do you know about that? What is a letter? A letter is a message which we write on a paper and send it to our dear ones. A letter is a message which we write on a paper and send it to our dear ones. So have you ever written a letter to anyone? Yes. If yes, then it's okay, and if not, then write. Then just try. And now we are going to recite this poem. Let's read this beautiful poem about a child writing a letter for his or her mother. I'm writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin, dearest mummy, did anyone guess? My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. I turn the page over and on goes my pen. Till lastly come kisses, there is just room for 10. The envelope is ready. I put the stamp on and run to the post office, and how it has gone. In this poem, a girl is writing a letter, and she is writing the letter for the person she cares for the most. And here I have underlined the words, these are rhyming words. Post, most. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin, dearest mummy, did anyone guess? Here the girl has written the date. जो गर्ल लेटर राइट कर रही है उसने क्या किया, शी हैज़ रिटन द डेट वेरी क्लियरली and she has put up the address also. She has written the address also and she started writing my dearest mummy. उसने my dearest mummy write किया. Did anyone guess? Yes, obviously it means she is writing letter to her mother. Here I have underlined two words. These are rhyming words, address, guess. Next is now, my pen travels slowly all down the long sheet because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. So now her pen travels slowly means she writes so slowly. Why? Because she wants to write the letter in very neat and clean manner. बहुत neat and clean वो write करना चाहती है letter को. That's why she writes so slowly. Here again I have underlined two words, sheet, neat. These are rhyming words. I turn the page over and on goes my pen. Till lastly come kisses, there is just room for 10. Till lastly she put some kisses. Last तक जब वो letter लिखती है, she put kisses and after writing there was only space for 10 kisses. Now the letter is ready. She puts the letter in the envelope. Envelope is ready. Envelope ready है girl के पास. And she puts the letter in the envelope. She puts up the stamp. Now she puts up the stamp on the envelope. And then she runs to the post box. जल्दी से वो post box की तरफ जाती है. Now it is gone to her dear mother. तो ये बाद में किसके पास जाता है letter? To her mother. Second is form pairs. Take turns and make a sentence for a situation when you say please. When we use please, जब हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं या हमें किसी से कोई चीज़ बोरो करनी होती है, वी यूज़ प्लीज़. यू से मे आई कब यूज़ करते हैं, जब टीचर से आपको परमिशन लेनी होती है कोई भी वर्क करने के लिए. थर्ड, यू से थैंक यू कब करते हैं, व्हेन वी गेट प्रेजेंट ऑन आवर बर्थडे और वी गेट समथिंग एल्स और समवन डज समथिंग फॉर अस. जब कोई हमारे लिए कुछ करता है वो इसे थैंक यू. एंड सॉरी, जब हमसे कोई मिस्टेक हो जाती है या अननोइंगली कुछ हो जाता है वो इसे सॉरी. My dear is used when we are writing a letter to our friend or relative. जब friend और relative को letter write करते हैं तो my dear use होता है. एंड विद लव भी तभी यूज़ होता है जब हम फ्रेंड और रिलेटिव को लेटर राइट करते हैं और ये एंड में यूज़ होता है. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, मैच द वर्ड्स इन द कॉलम ए एंड बी टू गेट न्यू वर्ड्स, राइट दैम इन कॉलम सी. A, B and C columns are there. You have to match A column with B column. Post man, news paper, lunch time, watermelon, dining room, blackboard, butterfly. So the new words will be postman, newspaper, lunchtime, watermelon, dining room, blackboard, butterfly. Now B exercise, one word in each of these sentences is spelled incorrectly. One word जो है वो wrong है यहाँ पर. So you have to write the correct word in the blank. I have the address to my friend's house. Here the spelling of address is wrong. So we will write the correct spelling, ADDRESS. Second, the lily is a beautiful flower. Here the spelling of flower is wrong. So we will write FLOWER. Next, third, the boy was wearing a blue shirt. Spelling of shirt is wrong. We will write SHIRT. Fourth, I write a few lines in my diary each day. Here the spelling of diary is incorrect. Its right spelling is DIARY. डायरी जिसमें हम कुछ भी नोट डाउन करते हैं, DIARY. और DAIRY इट्स डेयरी जहाँ पे मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स हम लेते हैं. फिफ्थ इज आई वॉच्ड अ नाइस वीडियो ऑन पेट्स yesterday. Spelling of video is wrong. So the correct spelling will be VIDEO. See exercise. The letters in these words are scrambled. Unscramble them to form the correct words. First will be letter, second will be write, third sheet, fourth will be base, and fifth will be stamp, sixth will be room. I hope you all have enjoyed this poem. It was a very beautiful poem. In this poem, these rhyming words were used: post, most, address, guess, sheet, neat, pan, tan, on, gone. Now there is one task for all of you. You all will write a letter for your mother. You all will write a letter for your mother. She will be so happy. It should be a surprise for her. Okay? And now, what will you do? Just recite the poem. Recite the poem and then complete your book work and notebook work also. Thank you.